Alright, so we're going to slam this Iron 883 today. What that involves is lowering the ass end of this thing. I'm going to remove this shock, this one over here, and then we're going to put some of these slammer shocks on. See how that would lower quite a bit. Let's get to it. Now, let's use like a jack and stuff, but I think it'll be alright. Well, this is going to stay on for now because I don't have a long enough Allen wrench to get in there and get that out of there. And I don't feel like going to the parts store or tool store right now. So yeah, let's continue. One side down. There are better ways of doing this. This is the way that I'm doing it. Now, you might be asking yourself why I didn't put any blue Loctite on this. Truth of the matter is, every single part that I put on this bike, every bolt that I have loosened, every nut that I have turned, I've not put any blue Loctite on. And here's the reason. I have a background as a mechanic, and went to school for it. I know that beginning of every season, because I put so many miles on this bike, well over 5,000, I will go through and I will torque test all the major stuff, including these shock bolts and the nut. That's why I don't do it. I know you're supposed to, but it'll be okay. You keyboard warriors don't freak out on me, okay? And again, I know that this is supposed to be torqued down to 50 foot-pounds, but I'm well over 50 on these, and I'm not going to bust these bolts. So it will be okay. And if it's not okay, I'm only myself to blame. Oh. There it is. Seems like it's sitting a little bit lower. If anything, it should be a better ride. I hear over and over and over again these Harley-Davidson shocks are the absolute worst. So anything should be an improvement. Sitting a little lower. Let's try this tool out. Alright, well, there it is. They're all blacked out, so it matches the bike. I hope this video was informative and entertaining. Watching me struggle a little bit, but yeah, that's how you swap out some shocks on a 2018 Iron 883. Until next time.